for this period in not rather important, can you within them on work with them on space and
Because the sustainability for the resources is also those resources to address because we have this one.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women, and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and at the hour of our death.
Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit.
As it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Amen.
In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Good morning.
Amen.
Our procurement activity for today is prepared for the three civil work projects which are 25 FO007, 25 FO008, and 25 FO009. Before we start this briefing, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of the Back Secretariat Head, Engineer Nota, our DPWH Head, Engineer Bubis, and also the representative from the Planning and Design section. And for the back members, Engineer Revilla, Ma'am Jocelyn Lola,
Present.
Engineer Moit, Engineer Arrieta, and Ms. Uri. So we have a quorum. We will proceed now for our private conference. For the first project to be discussed is contract ID 25 FO007. Name of contract, Convergence and Special Support Program, Construction and Improvement of Access Road leading to Seaports, Kalsada, Tungo sa Paliparan, Riles at Daungan Program, Guinobatan-Jovellar-Donsol Road leading to Pilar Port, Guinobatan and Albay. The approved budget for the contract is 115,800,000 pesos. For the duration is 225 calendar days. Work category code as per DEO 117 series of 2017 is RCT. Qualified prospective bidders should be registered with a classified by the pickup with at least a pickup license category B or medium A. The amount of bidding document is 50,000 pesos. For the minimum equipment requirements, 1 unit backhoe 0.8 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit bulldozer, 1 unit cargo truck 9 to 10 metric ton capacity, 1 unit batch plant 30 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit concrete saw, 1 unit concrete spreader, 1 unit dump truck 12 cubic yard capacity, 1 unit motorized road grader 140 horsepower capacity, 1 unit 1 bagger mixer, 1 unit payloader, 1 unit transit mixer 5 to 6 cubic yard capacity, 1 unit vibrator roller 10 metric ton capacity, and 1 unit water truck with pump 16 liters capacity, 16,000 liters capacity. For the scope of work and specification will be discussed to us by the representative from Planning Design Section.
Morning everyone. For the Convergence Special Support Program, Construction Improvement of Access Roads leading to Seaports, Kalsada Tungo sa Paliparan, Riles at Daungan Program, KATUPARAN, Guinobatan-Jovellar-Donsol Road leading to Pilar Port, Guinobatan and Jovellar Albay is a FY 2025 proposed road project based on NEP with an allocation of 120 million pesos. The proposed project has a physical target of 3349 meters or 5.934 lane kilometers. Road concreting for section 1 with 2585 meters and road reblocking for section 2 with 764 meters. PCCP with 0.28 meters thick and 0.15 meters thick aggregate sub-base course. Open line canal is to be constructed at section 1, 1.2 by 0.9 meters reinforced with 16 mm main bars and 12 mm horizontal bars. For section 2, closed line canal will be constructed 1.2 by 0.8 meters with 12 mm reinforcing steel bars. Metal gratings 0.3 by 0.8 is included for section 2, two sets located in between 0.8 by 0.8 manhole covers, which are spaced every 10 meters. Single-arm solar LED roadway lighting, 8-meter pole, 60 watts to 80 watts, is included for section 1, placed at every 30 meters. The project has a total duration of 255 calendar days, and hauling costs for materials and aggregates is incorporated in material prices for unit cost computation. Thank you.
For the second project, Contract ID 25F0008, Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, access roads and bridges from the national road leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities. Thus, construction of bridge Barangay Alnay, Polangui. The approved budget for the contract is 4,950,000 pesos. Duration, 120 calendar days. Category of work code as per DEO number 127 series of 2017 BCSWOP. Qualified prospective bidders should be registered with and classified with a pickup license of at least category C and D or small b. The amount of the bidding document is 5,000 pesos. For the minimum equipment requirements, 1 unit backhoe, 0.8 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit bulldozer, 1 unit cargo truck, 9 to 10 metric ton capacity, 1 unit concrete saw, 1 unit concrete spreader, 1 unit concrete vibrator, 1 unit dump truck, 12 cubic yard capacity, 1 unit mechanized joint sealer, 1 unit one bagger concrete mixer, 1 unit payloader 1.5 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit vibrator roller 10 metric ton capacity, and 1 unit water truck with pump ends with a capacity of 16,000 liters. For the details will be discussed to us by the representative from Planning and Design Section.
Good morning, everyone. The proposed project Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, access roads and or bridges from national roads leading to major or strategic public buildings or facilities. Construction of bridge Barangay Alnay, Polangui, Albay is a FY 2025 proposed project listed under the National Expenditure Program with an allocation of 5 million pesos. The proposed project has a physical target of 22.13 meters or 39.83 square meters hanging bridge with station limits from 8 to 30.13. Concrete road with a total of 2 meters width and from station 5 to 8 for the approach A and 30.13 to 33.13 for approach B. And also stone masonry, and the project also has a concrete slope protection with height 6 meters and length 6 meters, 2 meters along approach A and 4 meters along approach B with 6 meters YSP2, pile cap and RC foundation. The project has a total duration of 120 calendar days based on the 071 series of 2013, considering the predetermined unworkable days. Second quarter CMPD of CY 2024 was used. The standard labor rates was based on June 2024 and ASL rates of series 2021, edition 26. DEO number 6, series of DEO 60, series of 2023, DPWH standard list of items volume 2 was the reference for the standard pay item list for the infrastructure project. Derivation of hauling cost is also considered for the aggregates in the nearest available material source is Manila River, Guinobatan-Albay. And the derivation of hauling cost for YSP2 and RSP is also considered. That's all.
Thank you. So the next project is contract ID 25FO009, name of contract Convergence and Special Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program BIP, Multipurpose Building Facilities to Support Special Services. Construction of multipurpose building covered court, Barangay, Itaran, Polangui, Albay. The approved budget for the contract is 4,950,000 pesos. Duration, 120 calendar days. Work category code as per DO number 127 series of 2017 is BICWOPLC. Qualified prospective bidders should be registered with a classified by the PICAB with at least license category C and D or small b. The amount of bidding document is 5,000 pesos. For the minimum equipment requirements, 1 unit backhoe, 0.8 cubic meter capacity, 1 unit dump truck, 12 cubic yard capacity, 1 unit grinding machine and accessories, enough H-frame scaffoldings rental, 1 unit jackhammer, 1 unit 1 bagger concrete mixer, 1 unit plate compactor, 1 unit truck mounted frame. This is another information. This is common to all equipment requirements. They are the list of equipment. This is common to the 3 projects we have discussed, and the list of equipment required must be supported by the proof of ownership (ORCR), and in case of list construction equipment or lease contract agreement should be contract and project specific. Also must complete the required equipment capacity as per bid data sheet of this projects. For the required laboratory equipment, the applicable testing equipment as enumerated in Annex A of Department Order Number 11, Series of 2017, plus equipment.
Hi, good morning everyone. The proposed project is Convergence and Special Support Program Basic Infrastructure Program BPI Multipurpose Building Facilities to Support Social Service Construction of Multipurpose Building Covered Court at Barangay Itaran, Polangui, Albay. The proposed project is an arc-type steel truss framing construction with the dimension of 15 by 25 meter with 5 meter length each bay and a column height of 6 meters. The scope of work of the proposed project consists of provision of concrete flooring, painting finish for concrete and steel structure, and construction of catch basin.
For further instruction to bidders, this is common to above projects. The complete set of bidding document can be acquired on October 17 until the submission of bids on November 6, 2024 at DPWH Albay 3rd District Engineering Office during weekdays from 8 a.m. to 12 noon and 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Bidders can make payment for the purchase of bid documents at any DPWH field office. It will be also downloaded from the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System (PhilJEPS) website www.philjeps.gov.ph or at DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. The cut-off time for securing the memo for order of payment is at 8:45 a.m. and for the payment for fee in the accounting section is at 9:15 a.m. or on the deadline date for the receipt of back of bids on November 6, 2024. A technical and financial document must be paginated, bounded, tab-barred, and properly sealed. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically / online. Bidders should only select one mode of bid submission by manual or by electronic means. For manual submission, bidders shall present official receipt of payment budget specific to the back secretariat of this office before the deadline stated. Only the owner, authorized representative as reflected in the CRC, will be allowed to transact business relative to bidding matters as per Department Order 197 Series of 2001, and also must present two government issued ID with photo and signature. Bids must be duly received by the back secretariat on November 6, 2024 at 10 a.m. in the morning. Although either by manual submission at DPWH Albay 3rd Procurement Unit Office, Polangui City, for the online electronic submission at electronic bids _ Albay 3rd at dpwh.gov.ph, similar to manual submission. The guidelines for the preparation and submission of all electronic bids are contained in the BDS. Late bid will not be accepted. Bid opening will be on November 6, 2024, right after the deadline for the submission and drafting of bids at the Procurement Unit Office, DPWH Polangui City. Bids will be opened in the presence of the bidder's representative. As per Section 30 of 2016 Revised IRR of RA 9184, preliminary examination of bids, the BAC shall check the submitted documents of each bidder against a checklist of the required documents to ascertain if they are all present using a non-discretionary pass-fail criteria, as is stated in the instruction to bidders. The contract will be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidder, LCRB, determined during post-qualification. This office will implement Department Order 28 Series of 2024, the three-strike policy in the procurement of contract for infrastructure works, goods, and consulting services. Bidders are reminded and emphasized that given that if at the time of post-qualification procedures, the BAC verifies that any of the deficiency is due to contractor's fault or negligence pursuant to Section 34.3 of the 2016 Revised IRR of Public Act 9184 or GPPB Circular Number 6, 2019, Guidelines on the Implementation of Early Procurement Activities, the procuring entity shall disqualify the contractor from the award without any rights to reimburse fees and incidental costs paid for the procurement of infrastructure contract subject of the bid. Bidders are advised to indicate their company official email address in the bidding documents. Official communication pertaining to the procurement after the opening of bids will be through the internet on the said official email address as reflected in your bidding documents. The DPWH Albay 3rd District Engineering Office reserves the right to reject any or all bids, declare a failure of bidding, or not to award the contract at any time prior to contract award in accordance with Section 35.1 and 41 of the 2016 revised IRR of 9184 without any incurring any liability to the affected bidders. Additional requirements: all project engineers of the contractors must be accredited by the DPWH as per memorandum dated June 14 of 2024 by Yusef Adors G. Canlas regarding the implementation of assigning accredited contractors and consultant project engineers to DPWH projects. Please refer to Section 3, DPWH Department Order 19, number 94, series of 2020. Any clarification or question regarding what we have discussed on these three projects? There is none, so we end up this previous conference today, and I would like to thank the audience in our live streaming of our procurement activities. Thank you for watching.